So it's another Larch Sunday. Paul's popped out with a Larch from the club. You can see as they're all starting to grow up and out. So we're just going to be adding a bit of wire on just to pull them down a little bit and put a bit more movement into it. It is a well developed Larch. When he was on the phone he says, will you do me Larch? And he's ended up with 3 trees. Didn't know how like. Next time I'm just going to see a piss off. So what I'll do is we'll just get some video footage as we're going through the day, the process, and just get little bits for you. Shall we get cracking?
Excellent, excellent.
We're getting the wire on all the trees now. I'm sorry I'm just putting music on, it's just me and Paul's just cracking on and he swears a lot, so can't be on the video, can you, mate? He swears more than me. But there's a little quick look at that one before I start adding some shape into the tree. So what I'll do now, I'll add a little bit shape back into this tree, then are you just going to repot them in the spring, Paul?
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll just add a bit moss on just to tidy them up for you.
Yeah.
So I'll start with this one, then we'll get the big one over. So number 1 Larch done, time to do number 2. We'll just be adding a bit of shape and some moss on. Paul's going to repot this in the spring when the buds start to swell, turn green, then we'll get this repotted. But for now we'll just add a bit of shape and a bit of moss on just to tidy it up. Let's go. So larch number 2 done. You'll be thinking, Ryan, why we not wired that at the back? Well, technically I was going to chop it off, but Twisty Knackers wants to keep it on. I don't know why, we didn't need it. The tree's in there, like, maybe it's a gin, but we'll leave Mr. Twisty, he can have it.
It'll grow.
It'll grow, it'll be up on the next time. But there's a look at the tree. So that's larch number 2 done. Now he's brought a shile of pite and I don't know what to do with this fucking thing. Lift it up, we'll give him a quick look before I have a bit play.
Do your magic, do your magic.
Do me magic, where's the burner? Separate the bastard. So where have you got the front now?
There's one.
I don't know it there because that's coming straight towards you. Plus it's going on the inside of a curve. I'll just
burn it.
I might. Right, let's see what we can. That'd look like. So that's all I'm doing with the shile pipe. I've just put a bit branch placement in. Paul thinks it looks good. He says, what do I think?
It is good.
I think it looks like a piece of firewood to me, like, but never mind. It's a shame about all these heavy branches, but we get some popping in here. We can cut it back and just start and create something in there. The root system is one ugly arse root system. But when we come to repot it, we might be able to get rid of half of this big root and one of these high roots, then over the years reduce it down. That's if we still got it. But other than that, that's that one done. So we're getting the 3 trees done. I'm not ending the video with this shile of pite. I'll put a proper tray here. So that's it for this video. We've done 2 larches and whatever that fucking thing is. Whatever that thing is.
Cherry plum.
Cherry plum?
Yep.
You think it's a cherry plum? So we've done 2 larches and a cherry plum, which I'm happy with the larches. I think that cherry plum's just become the next jade now. No, but that was just a quiet Sunday playing with a few trees. So that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!